Hey everybody! Alright, so I have like a craft for you today. I'm probably going to post it on my nail channel and my craft channel. So if you're subscribed to both, you're going to see it 2 times. But this is what I'm going to make today. It's a Cabochon ring to match any of your nails. Whether it's wet polish, ColorStreet, or anything. I mean, really, as long as it fits in this little circle, you can make it and match anything. So inside of this one is Solar Flare and Chevron, what is it called? Keep Calm and Chevron. Keep Calm and Chevron. That's that one with Solar Flare. Beautiful. You can use any of the overlays, which is awesome. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to do one with a retired set. Rule of Plum. That's what I have on my nails. I kind of did some negative space and layering, which I still need to kind of rub down. So that is what I'm going to make the ring out of. I'm going to punch the flower image. So what you need are the empty rings to hold the cabochons, and some adhesive. This is diamond glaze. Make sure you get clear adhesive no matter what you use. I heard E6000 is just as good. I'm going to do this one, diamond glaze. I will leave the links down below. I found everything on Amazon except for ColorStreet, which you can order from my site, theonepolishedmama.com. We have a whole bunch of really cute Christmas sets. I think the glow-in-the-dark Halloween one sold out. Thanksgiving sold out. So yeah, Christmas though, they are so super cute, and they brought back some from 2017. It's a cute Santa and snowman one. I grabbed a snowman because I collect them. It was adorable. And you also need a 1/2 inch paper punch. It makes it so super easy. So I hope you guys make some rings, whether it's using ColorStreet wet polish, some fabric, a flower from outside, like a petal, I don't know. Just make some rings and have some fun. So here it is. That Solar Flare with Keep Calm and Chevron on. I always want to say on. So, alright, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how super easy this is. Okay, so you want to get your ring. And another cool thing is, you don't have to open a new set for this. You can use a 2Z, an accent nail that stylists send you, or you can use dried up sets. That would be a great way to use some that have dried out. You just put some adhesive on the bottom of the ring, and then you would put the nail there, or paper, or anything, and then it would stick. Okay, so you need your cabochon, the ring, your punch, what object you're gonna punch, and your adhesive. So I want to take off this clear piece, because if you haven't noticed from my other videos, it is a pain in the butt to get off. And then you want to see where you want to punch your nail, and you can get 2 from the thumb. So just like that. And even if these dry out, like I said, they're fine. You can just put some adhesive on the bottom, or you can peel like I'm going to do and stick it down. So if you want it on, you need to see how you want your design. Like with the chevron, you obviously had to make sure that was kind of lined up. And then you just press it down inside like that. Here's where the adhesive comes in, is you want to get a little bit, and this dries clear, so whatever you're using, make sure it dries clear, because you don't want, I'm trying to pop that bubble, you don't want it to obviously cover whatever you're using. I'm just wiping some fingerprints off so it doesn't have it on there, and then you just set it inside, and I'm just gonna wipe it off, and then you have your amazing ring that's going to match your nails. Like, that's so much fun, and I really need to fix that nail. Okay, so here it is. So super easy. I'm trying not to move it until it dries. I don't want it to fall out. But can you see that? It's so pretty and perfect. You can size these rings to fit your finger. I would have to pull this one just a little bit and then slide it back on my finger. And there we go. It's matching. I love it. Like, you're gonna get so much attention for these, and it's cheap and fun. And yes, all right. I hope you learned something. If not, I don't know. I guess I'm late to the game. My sister-in-law used to make necklaces and stuff all the time, and I'm like, oh, that's so much fun, and I just never did it. So anyways, I'm excited. Have matching nails with your rings. It's really pretty. So any questions, let me know, and I will leave everything down in the description box for you. All right, have a great day. Bye.